Welcome to LA and all this traffic.
Thanks, girl. I'm just happy to be here.
What did you tell me you were here for again?
I'm actually out here for a summer internship, spreading more awareness about this natural lace the hairstyle, girl. Oh, and love.
Love, you say? Well, I'm sure with all those pretty curls, you'll have no problem with that.
Oh, thanks, girl.
All right. See you later.
Hey, you forgot your Grape Seed collection. Ooh, can't forget that.
How are you?
Good.
Oh my gosh, your hair. It's so big.
Thanks. You like it?
Yeah, I'm just not used to seeing you like this. Aunt Jackie's is really taking over, huh?
Yes, girl.
Who was that?
Just a message from this online dating app. It just sent me a notification asking me to complete my profile.
Did you?
No, it's asking me to describe my hair, and that's not fair. I should be liked for me and not for my man. I'm gonna submit it anyways, though. What should I wear?
I cannot believe that dating app works so fast.
Right? What do you think about this?
Cute.
Oh, la la, or whatever. My curls do not look coily. What should I do?
Try the new Grape Seed collection. You could definitely use some of this Frizz Patrol.
You think so?
I know so.
Do you think he'll like my hair?
If he can't get down with your do, he ain't the one for you.
I know that's right. Let's get to it. This Grapeseed collection is awesome. A little bit of flexi rods, a little bit of this, and the boys are gonna go crazy.
Crazy.
Let me just spray a little shine. And we're ready. Where is he? Deb! What's wrong?
Nothing.
I'm Sid.
Deb.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Well, I guess I'll tell you a little bit about myself then. I'm here for a summer internship with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, and I'm here representing their brand. And
Who is Aunt Jackie?
I was telling you that.
Well, I didn't really come here to talk about your aunt.
Will you excuse me for a second? Talon, this date is awful. He's uninterested, he keeps staring at my hair, and he thinks Aunt Jackie is my real aunt. What should I do?
Look, just educate him on natural hair, Aunt Jackie's, order a bunch of food, and bounce.
Educate him on natural hair, Aunt Jackie's product, and order a lot of food and leave? Alright, sounds good. So, this summer I'm here on an internship with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, and they're great because they have all the biggest fixes for your biggest hair problems.
Did they fix your problem? I'm sorry. The hair is interesting. It's not used to that around here.
Well, I'll let you know, I'm a proud natural Easton.
There's nothing wrong with that, baby. It's just the girls around here wear their hair a little more straight.
Well, I'll probably let you know that my natural hair is my exquisite crown.
That's fine, baby. The hair hat looks good on you. It just won't work for me, that's all I'm saying.
Hair hat? Did you just call my beautiful natural hair a hair hat? This date is over, and so are you. Hey, CurlFriends. I'm here to tell you guys the detail of this horrific date that I just experienced. Can you believe I was shamed for my natural hair? Ugh. Did you leave the date? Yes. Maybe the curls were a lot. Did I use too much shine, boss? I mean, it did give me a healthy look of shine. Too much ice curls curling jelly? I mean, my curls were on bleak.
Are you talking to yourself again?
No, I'm talking to my products. You know what? Maybe I should just wear my hair straight. Well, don't need this anymore. I think that day really got to me. I don't think I want to be a girlfriend anymore. I mean, I'm gonna miss my flawless twist outs, braid outs, and wash and goes, but I just don't think it's for me.
Girl, you are tripping. Your curls are popping.
You know what? Maybe I am tripping. I'm a consumer of the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, and no man's gonna come in between that. Well. Look who it is.
I got you these.
Thanks.
Sid, I wanted to apologize about my behavior. Your hair is beautiful and so are you, baby.
Go on.
Also, wanted to say thank you for teaching me the importance about natural hair and the maintenance that it takes to keep it healthy and glowing like yours.
Aw.
Also got you this.
Did you just get this out the trash?
I did.
Oh.